Hello, this is Miss Bryant, transition specialist with TIVA, and I wanted to go over the Texas Workforce Commission Rehabilitation Vocational Rehabilitation Service program. And this is a great program. I highly suggest that you click on this site and just explore it. So if you go up here, right here is the website that you would go to. And then this is the main page of the website. So let's just kind of explore this main page right here. Up here are the different tabs that you can click. As you can see, when you click on the tab, here are the different things that is under that tab. Okay. And then I'm just going to briefly go over each one of these, kind of highlight them so you can see, and then go all the way over here. We'll come back to that in a minute. Over here is some more links, and we'll come back to that in a minute. I just want to scroll all the way down here, all the way down here. So right here, we'll click on this in a minute, but this is really important because this has all of the different publications that you would want to check out. So let's scroll up here. If you want to find out where your local vocational rehabilitation site is, you would click this right here. So we're going to click this right here, and it brings you to this page here. If you scroll all the way down, you're going to click this right here, and you're going to go to VR for vocational rehabilitation. You don't necessarily have to do all of this. You can do it just by your zip code. So I'm going to go ahead and put in this zip code here. Okay. And then you would click search, and it will show you your local office and then their phone number right here. So that's how you would locate your local office. I have been including your local contact information in the ARD document if you have already had the ARD, so you can already go ahead and click there. So now we're going to go back to the main screen here. So we're back to the main screen. So if you want to go ahead and start an application, the easiest way to do that, in my opinion, would be you scroll up here where it says student, parents, and educators. And you're going to click this right here. And it's going to bring you to this page. Go over to the side and it says Start My VR. If you scroll right here, click that, and that will bring you to the online application. So you're just going to go ahead and complete the application. And then down here, you're going to want to explain how can they help you. If you want to explore all the different services that they offer before you do that, then you can go ahead and do that. And then you go ahead and you click submit. So we're going to go back over here. As you can see down here also, this big blue button right here where it says chat with us, you can also click that and they can help you with that as well. So we're on this youth and students page. So we're going to click, actually, if you click this right here, okay, and this will bring you down to all the different services that they offer, okay? So they offer, let's look at this, pre-employment transition services. They offer counseling. They are including counseling in job exploration and post-secondary training. They offer counseling on opportunities for post-secondary education. Work-based learning experiences, including internships and on-the-job training, training in the workplace, and training in self-advocacy and social skills. They also offer other services as needed. So for an example, let's say your student needs supported employment services. So they might offer that. Or they might offer rehabilitation teacher services to help you learn Braille or orientation and mobility, home and health management skills, etc., etc. They might offer medical, psychological, and vocational assessments, assessments with medical assistance with medical appointments and treatment. So they offer other services as needed. So they also offer, let's go back over here. And let's go all the way back over here. Back to this page right here. So they also, we're going to scroll all the way down here and we're going to click on this right here. And these are the different publications that they offer, and my suggestion would be is just to kind of look over them. So like this right here, this is what that publication would look like. What comes after high school. Okay. What I want to show you though is, where is it? This right here. As you can see, they offer them in English and Spanish. Summer Earn and Learn. This is a cool program because it offers a way for students to explore a career path and earn a paycheck. So this is a really cool thing. It's learn job skills and build confidence. You earn a paycheck. You receive workplace training and accommodations. So this is a very cool program that they offer. So my suggestion would be just to kind of explore the different publications that they offer. Let's go back to the main page and scroll up here, all the way up here, and we're going to go back over here. I believe it's this one. We're going to go back here. And if you scroll, nope, oops, sorry, not here. This. Okay. So if you, I don't know if you saw what I did. Let's go back. You're going to go under here and you're going to click this right here. I wanted to show you this. So this is called Texas Reality Check, and then they have Texas Career Check. So let's click here first. Texas Reality Check. So basically what this is this is just kind of giving your child a reality check on how much it really costs to live. So if you scroll over here, oh, let's go back. So you have this, start your reality check, but then also you have choose an occupation, then review your expenses to see if it's a salary that can support your lifestyle. Skip the guided tour and quickly tally up your expenses to compare costs with different occupations. So we're just going to go over here, right here. So this is just general. So let's just pick, you're going to choose the place you're living in. Let's just click Austin. And this is really cool. So basically, this is going to tell you how much it costs to live in Austin. So let's just say your student is going to have a studio apartment. So we're going to click that. As you can see, it adds it over there. Then we'll go over here. Then it goes to utilities. Let's just say we're gonna click this, all of them, okay? Okay, then home, your food, it has different choices. So let's say your child is gonna eat at home and eat out, fast food. So we're gonna click that. Then it goes to transportation. So let's say your child is gonna have a used car. So click that. This would be like a monthly car payment. Click clothing. So let's just click the basics, and let's say they have to have work clothes. Click that. Add the healthcare. Okay, so let's say that their job offers healthcare, so that's not going to cost them anything. However, if they want to add vision and dental, that's going to cost extra possibly. So we'll go there. And then your personal care, let's just click basics. And then these are extras, but let's just do basics. Entertainment. So let's just say they're going to just stay at home and watch movies at home. And then go down here, miscellaneous. This would be other items. So let's say they have a pet. Okay. So let's say they have to have this kind of stuff, like their cookware, housewares, and let's just keep it right there. And then student loan debt. Okay, so let's say they're going to get a certification and they're going to a public school. So we're going to click that and go down here. So at the moment they're not, let's just say they're not going to do that yet. Okay, and so let's say they're going to click maybe 5% of their income right there. So as you can see, this totals it up, and this says that will require that they make a minimum salary of $48,495, and then can they afford that? So that's just a really cool thing for them to look over. So I'm going to scroll over here and then go back over here. So anyway, this is just and then they also offer job fairs, like online virtual job fairs, and there is you can find the calendar events of when that's going to happen. So I just wanted to show you a little of what Texas Workforce Commission Vocational Rehabilitation Services has to offer. Thank you.